Hi, thanks for visiting the Our Good Stuff channel. This channel is going to be doing some helpful do-it-yourself videos as well as topics of design and things that are general good news that I think would be a positive influence on your life. So for today, I had a friend or two tell me lately that they were getting tired of how their home was decorated. There are just certain things they felt were outdated and they just wanted something that was kind of a refresh for their home. So I have some ideas that are either free or practically free on how to redecorate in small ways. Firstly, I've got a pillow here. This is my daily good idea. And I have a skirt that a friend gave me, and she said she could have donated it, which would have been a great idea, but she just loved the fabric, but it just didn't really fit anymore. She didn't want it. So I told her you could combine these two things, take the pillow and recover it. I'm doing this kind of impromptu, so I haven't officially covered this one yet, but let me put this in here and show you what I would do. So now I'm not a seamstress. I don't have a sewing machine and I rarely pick up a needle and thread, but you could do some alternate ideas. What I've got here are two small rubber bands. They happen to be black because I think it's just better for decorating sense than to use a rubber band that looks like a rubber band. So you could take the corner and you can put this together here tightly. I won't get through the entire thing. I want to keep my videos short and to the point, so you guys can use your imagination at a later point. But here's one corner, right? I can also do the other one the same way, black rubber band. If I liked the style of the waist, I could also gather that and rubber band this. If I did have a needle and thread, which is probably my biggest amount of sewing that I do, I may just sew it straight across here and be able to repurpose a pillow. Maybe a pillow you don't like anymore, and then be able to keep a fabric that you really love. Maybe it's your favorite old shirt, maybe it's your favorite color. So that's my thought for the day, and thanks for watching. I hope you come back to see more do-it-yourself ideas, more design ideas, and also some good news tucked in between other videos. So I'll be filming on a regular basis, and I hope that you can like and follow and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.